Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Those are my binders of recipes. I'm very old school, but you know how everybody does recipes now? It's all on our phones, it's all electronic. And the problem is, while you're cooking and you're making a mess with flour and sugar and oil and water and all your ingredients, and there's your phone sitting right in the middle of that big, powdery, liquidy mess. So here's the simple solution. Put your phone in a clear, resealable bag, just like this. Mine has a chain on it. Has saved me from dropping it many a time. And you seal it up, and then leave this on your counter while you're preparing your food. And then if things splash on it or powder spills on it, you know the mess. Whenever you cook, you still have to wipe up after because things just get on the counter. But this way, your recipe stays visible, and yet your phone is protected. Then after you've made your wonderful cake or whatever it is you've made, then you can lift out your phone and it's nice and clean and protected. Use that little baggie. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, scroll through here. There are hundreds of wonderful life hacks you're going to like. And visit my website, jonihilton.com. See you next time.